Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert long division symbol in Microsoft Word. So there are some methods to type this long division. I will show you easiest method. So insert and symbol or symbols. So here select this one, Cambria Math, and here in bottom select this and scroll down. So here is the long division. And guys, shortcut key for this division is 27cc Alt X, and character code for this one 27cc. So this way you can type this long division. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.